How to make your voice deeper on Discord. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily change your voice or make it deeper on Discord. Go ahead and open up your web browser and then simply search for Clownfish Voice Changer. Click on the first link that you see here, clownfishvoicechanger.net, and then click on download now. So you're going to have to download this application. I'm going to download the 64-bit. Once you click on download, all you have to do here is wait for a bit to download its installation file. So once you have downloaded the file, all you have to do now is just click on download unverified file. Now what you can do is once the download is complete, run the exe file and it will automatically install the application on your device. Keep tapping next, click on install, and you're good to go. Now just run the app. So I'm just going to click on install. So because the app is changing with the mic settings, so you're going to see those kind of pop-ups. That's totally normal. It will go away once you uninstall the application. All right, so what we're going to do now is just open the voice changer app.
Run it up, and then click on this. Once you right click on it, then you can set voice changer. Alright, so here you can make your voice deeper.
If you choose male pitch, you could also do other voices like
Robots,
low mutation. Baby pitch is going to make it a high pitched voice.
If you set the male, it's gonna deepen your voice. Now once you select this, you could just turn on your mic on here and you should get a deeper voice. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.